Hi fashion lovers, you are welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to cut and sew this inner tube bra you are seeing, which can be worn under any backless dresses, be it off-shoulder gowns, halter neck styles, tube tops, and other fashionable outfits. Even the trending backless butterfly dress, you can use this for it. It's not like the regular bra strap that show at the back, but this inner tube bra stay hidden, giving a clean and elegant look. So before we start, like this video, drop me lovely comment, share with your loved ones, those that love fashion, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. The first thing to do is to take your measurement. So take your over bust to your under bust measurement, just the way you see me doing. By doing that, place your tape at the fleshy part of your breast to your under bust. After I was done, I got 9 inches. The next measurement you want to consider is your under bust circumference, which mine is 31 inches. And also the last measurement is your bust circumference. So I got 38 inches after measuring, but I adjusted it to 37 inches because I don't want it to be too free. Now let's head to our cutting table. Alright, so I've gone ahead to place my fabric on fold into 2, and to know the amount to place on fold, you divide your bust circumference by 4 plus additional 2 to 3 inches. So that's our starting line. You place your tape on your starting line and you mark 1.5 inch and you connect with a straight line. So that 1.5 inch will serve as our allowance for inserting our elastic. So from that 1.5 inches, I'll also place my tape there, and I will mark my over bust to under bust measurement, which was 9 inches. After we are done measuring, you also chalk it down and you connect with your ruler as seen. Also mark 1.5 inch under your under bust measurement. So from that point, you also go down with 1.5 inch. It will also serve as our elastic casing for the under bust measurement. You can see what we have. So the next thing you want to do is to input quarter of your bust circumference. So 37 divided by 4, what you got, you input it and you add 1 inch allowance to that measurement. You also input quarter of your under bust circumference plus additional 1 inch, after which you connect the points together as seen. So extend it to the 1.5 inch as seen, after which we are done. The next thing you want to do is to cut it out. After cutting it out, you can see what we have. So go ahead and open it up just the way you see me doing. You can see what it's looking like already. So for our elastic casing, I'm going to fold it into 2, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and I'll top stitch on it. I'll do that and be right back. So after top stitching, you can see what it's looking like. The next thing we want to do is to cut out our elastic. So for the under bust, we are going to divide your under bust circumference by 2, which I got 15 inches. From that 15 inches, you minus 4 inches, which I got 11 inches. So I cut my elastic at 11 inches for the under bust circumference. While for my bust circumference, you also divide your bust circumference by 2 and you subtract 4 inches from whatever measurement you got or figure. So subtract 4 inches from it and you cut it out. So I'll be using safety pin to insert my elastic into the elastic casing on our tube bra. So I will insert it like this, after which you use your pin to hold it at both ends after inserting, so that the elastic won't slide inside. So use your safety pin or your office pin either to hold it. Alright, so I'm done inserting the elastic both on the over bust and on the under bust, and I've used my pin to hold it in place. I will now take it to my sewing machine and stitch it down to hold it firmly so that it don't pull out or slide into the casing. I'll do that and show you what it looks like. So this is it after I was done sewing it down. The next thing you want to do is to attach strip to the back for support. So I've gone ahead to cut a long strip, and the length of this strip is the circumference of my under bust, which is 31 inches plus extra 2 inches, which is 33 inches in total. While for the wideness, I have 1.5 inch for the wideness. So place it on fold into 2 like that, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch it down. So after stitching, you can see see what we have. This is it after stitching, and I'm going to turn it inside out. That is the right side out. So look at it here, the right side out. I've already turned it out. So the next one to do is to insert our elastic into the strap. So for the elastic, we are going to make use of our underbust circumference, which is 31 inches, and you minus 4 inches from it. That 31 inches, you minus 4 inches, and you insert it into your strap. After inserting, use your pin to hold it in place, after which take it to your sewing machine and top stitch on it so that the elastic don't slide into your fabric. And yeah, it's that simple. So this is what our strip is looking like after I was done stitching it at both ends. The next thing you want to do is to attach that strip at the edge of your underbust that is on your tube bra. You attach the strip at the edge of your underbust, not the upper bust, your underbust. Please ensure that so that you won't make mistake. After attaching that, I'm going to pleat the sides on both sides of our tube bra, and I'll show you what it's looking like. So after I was done attaching the strip and pleating both sides, this is what it's looking like, and you can decide to leave your tube bra like that. But if you want to attach it to a dress, the next thing you want to do is to cut out a strap, and this is the strap. I've already cut it out. The length is 5 inches while the wideness is about 1 inches. So, and I'll sew it down. So in order to place the straps to your bra, so in order to do that, you find the midpoint of your bra. So place the bra on fold and you find the midpoint. Use your chalk to indicate it. You chalk it down, and also bring your strap, fold the rough edges, and place the strap on the midpoint you already indicated. That's the midpoint you chalk down. You place your strap and take it to your sewing machine and top stitch it down. While for the other side, you are going to attach it to your gown or dress, whatever backless outfit you are using. So bring in the outfit, also find the midpoint of the front neckline, and you also bring your bra and you place the strap, the upper part of the strap, on the upper part of your outfit, and you also top stitch it down. And with this, we are done with this tutorial, and with this you have successfully attached your bra to your outfit. So if you like this video, if you like what you have watched, please kindly like this video, leave a lovely comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so that YouTube can recommend this video to large number of people. See you in the next one. Bye.